Do you know Perth Restoration Services are a family-owned, fully certified IICRC and Restoration Industry Association firm using only state-of-the-art equipment? Do you know if you do not deal with and report a flood, fire or emergency instantly, any warranty or insurance policy you have may become invalid? Do you know if you are the owner or manager of a premises and injuries occur after someone reports any water, fire or mould damage, you could be held liable? Do you know without assistance, a building structure may take years to dry out properly, resulting in primary damage, mould and unhealthy living conditions? Do you know that mould is a toxic fungus and can be a health hazard? Do you know Perth Restoration Services will take care of the complete job, from initial inspection right through to presenting you with a fully documented final report? Well, now you know. Why go anywhere else?